Okra is a nutritional powerhouse.
Let's go and pick some fresh okra at Swansea to make a healthy, delicious dinner tonight.
Okra is a nutritional powerhouse. Strengthen the bone, vitamin K, antioxidant, fight fatigue, assist weight management, and support digestion. Today we will use Japanese Choice Panko and Tempura Flour. Boil the okra and drain. Mix the tempura flour with icy cold water and mix well. Pour the Japanese Choice Panko in a big wide plate. Dip the okra in the batter and coat it in panko. Fry in olive oil. Coated them very well. Serve hot and dip with Thai choice sweet chili sauce. Bon appetit and สวัสดีค่ะ